My name is Waldo Will the Builder, and this is my first garage transformation project. Over the past year, I took on yet another exciting home improvement project, transforming this cluttered, underutilized three-car garage into a sleek, modern, multifunctional space. Taking inspirational ideals from other do-it-yourself project warriors. Background: the garage is 600 square feet with one single and one double aluminum door. Taupe in color. The entire space was chaotic, filled with every household item one could imagine. I used the space as a dumping ground without putting any effort to organize things, and definitely not ideal for parking the vehicles. The goal: to completely revamp the space using only essential functional items, but more importantly, cost affordable. I wanted a garage that could comfortably fit my vehicles, bikes, and tools, while also doubling as a stylish spot to entertain small groups. What was accomplished? Cleared out items I no longer needed, organized, labeled, and stored everything kept. Painted the ceiling a flat jet black color and walls a silver, eggshell gray for a fresh, clean look. I spent 6 months working with a company to design, build, and install these stunning new modern tinted glass garage doors with upgraded, side-mounted door openers. Yup, I'll say it again. I removed the overhead door openers and installed a strong, robust side-mounted door opener, deep cleaned and refinished the floors with a shiny, durable epoxy product, custom ordered sleek red and stainless steel cabinets, mounted slat wall systems for tools and bike accessories, mounted a TV, integrated smart LED lights and a ceiling fan, enabled Alexa control for all lighting and devices. Timeline: 1 year. Total material cost: $16,845. Waldo Will's effort: 95% completed by me. This project was a labor of love and a huge learning experience. Now, I have a garage that's not just functional, but a space I can genuinely be proud of. Thanks for viewing. Give me your thoughts.